Good day everyone. I'm making this video to show you how to freehand review Excel or use freehand to annotate Excel. If you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button to support me to make more videos to help other people just like you. If this video has helped you, any donations to support this channel are welcome by using the PayPal link in the description. So I have created a new Excel spreadsheet, a simple one. So in order to start using the freehand, go to review and then go to start inkling. Then you can click on pen or highlighter. If your laptop is a touch screen, you can actually touch the pen or highlighter. Then you can just write or annotate, and then you can also highlight. Then if you want, you can also select objects that you have annotated. So you can select the highlights and all that and delete accordingly. There is a shortcut to hide all these freehand. Control 6, so you can hide the annotations, and then you Control 6 again to unhide it. Then you have an eraser function to erase. Another neat thing I want to show you is you can actually select the annotations by going to home, find and select, go to selection pane. Right now you can see the ink that you have created, and then you can actually individually hide it. So let's say if I want to put more annotations, so maybe I want to I'm using my touch screen, so I'm actually writing on my screen using my finger. So now you have a new ink. So you will select it, right? You know which one you are selecting, and then you can hide all and show all. Then if you want to individually hide, you can actually click on the eye, and then if you want to delete, you can actually click on one of the object and then just delete it, right? Or you can select one object, then you Control A, then you can press the delete button, or you can select from here and then delete from the pane by pressing the delete button. I hope this video has helped you. Please remember to subscribe or donate if that pleases you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.